I am Professor Vinster, and welcome to Jurplastic World. Hey everyone, the professor here. I've got this largemouth bass. You might have seen it in another video where I was talking about not having my morning coffee. Anyway, I'm getting ready to work on it because somebody asked me, a friend of the family asked me, they'd want one for their cottage. Now I don't sell them, so this is just going to be one of those things where, hey, somebody will ask about it. Great. So then they'll go to my channel. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do. And right now, I there's actually glass eyes under here, so I'm going to actually slowly dig them out. Let's see if I can keep my hand out of the way. Because when I paint it, they'll get covered a bit more anyway. Very easy to work with. But I want to show you the eyes. Now this is primer on here. So, and there's a couple spots on here that I want to, where I've joined it down in here. There's a spot there I want to fix the scales up a bit. Now I'm using a blade, but I'm using the side of it so I don't damage. Now these, they call them glass eyes, but actually they're probably more than likely, I'm not sure if they're epoxy poured with really good epoxy. If somebody knows a little more than I do, let me know. But I make these eyes myself. Now, we're getting there. There we go. That looks pretty good. Now we'll move this, turn this around like that, and we'll see how that. Well, first of all, look at the detail inside that mouth. Is that not cool or what? I got this print from I actually bought it on Cults, a 3D printing site. So if you want to check this out, go to that. I'm not promoting them. Don't think I'm promoting. If you ever want to ask me where I get my prints from, just message me through the video or whatever, through my email. That's fine. I just I never liked STL. People would ask STL. No, I'm a polite person, so I will tell you where it is. You ask me nicely and say, "Hey, I think that's really cool. Can you direct me to the print, or did you design that? Can I? How do I get a hold of it?" Now I don't sell online as of prints and stuff like that, or actually anything as of right now. Um, I just do videos and hoping to make my site or my channel bigger. I would love to have more people aboard. I know a lot of people do 3D printing, but you know, I'm the kind of guy that if I like something, I'll go over and watch it. I mean, I'm not a jealous kind of person. I may go, "Wow, I'd love to be able to do that." There's a lot of talent out there, and each person has their own. So there you go. So there's the eyes popping out at you again there. Let's see this side of the fish. There's this side of the fish. That's really cool. And inside the gills, see inside there, you can actually paint those. Like in the taxidermy, they'll put felt pads in, or if they do a freeze, fast freezer freeze, it's a little bit different. Plus, I'm testing out a new camera right now, so see how this does. I love, like I said, there you go. There's the detail inside the mouth. Now that is totally, totally cool. Like I said, I make the eyes myself, and don't be afraid to paint over them, so you get around them nice. They're easy to clean up after. Yeah. So we're getting them ready for paint, and like I said, actually, if you pick this guy up, or I got him on the stand here. This is the spot where I'm gonna actually. I'm not sure. This might go with a big bear scene that I have. He might be jumping out of the water. I'll keep him down there. He might be jumping out of the water. There's a huge full size bear I'm working on. So you probably already seen it. And if you haven't seen it, go back and check it out. Look at that. Is that is so cool. Anyway, like I was gonna say, you can hang on to him like a real fish. You know, you can. There you go. So you go out in your boat and you didn't catch anything that day, take some pictures. Just don't show the hull. There you go. I'm not a crazy believer on AI when it comes to making fake videos. I like the real stuff. So if somebody's going to make a, a fake fish, fine with me, I guess. There's some videos in AI that I think are funny. They don't bother people. And then there's some AI stuff that picks on people. And I'm not that person, but I'm also not that person to uh, get politics and political stuff involved. I have my opinions, but anyway, there's the fish. And like I said, testing out the new camera. So thanks for watching and keep an eye out because I'm going to airbrush. Plus, I'm going to probably do some brush painting. I've got a smaller one that I was working on. Let me walk over here and get the smaller one. Now, I've changed some stuff on this one. I'm back. I've changed some stuff on this one here. A little bit different size. I think he could be swimming with mom, or you could put him on a different angle so that he looks like he's coming in from the side or something like that. Or yeah, so there's two different fish, and like I said, if you want this, go check it out. Just Google stuff, and you'll find what I'm working on. Some of the stuff I'm working on. So till next video, take care. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.